Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you're seeing this face for the first time, then please take a second and hit that subscribe button underneath this video and click the bell icon also, so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my two skincare purchase from Nykaa. So I just wanted to share my unboxing with you. The first product is this. This is from the Plum. This is their E-Luminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and the other one is this M-Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask. So I'm gonna open these products in front of you so you can see how they are, and I'm gonna use it right now so I can share you like how I feel about it, right? So let's get into the video. First, I'm going to unbox this product. This is the Plum E-Luminous Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and let's see what it says. So this is for dry, normal, combination and sensitive skin. That's great. This is for all skin type, which is great. And this brand, this Plum, is cruelty free, and they don't test their products on animals, which is the best part. So what's out? What Plum says about this product? No to parabens, no to propylene glycol, sodium lauryl sulfates, DEA and animal derived ingredients. So this product has no parabens, no SLS, and no all those harmful chemicals which might not good for your skin. So for that, I think it's a great product, but I need to use it to see that it will work or not. It meant to, cleanse down your skin, break down all the makeup, your waterproof makeup, your waterproof sunscreen and all of that. So let's see how this will work for the skin. So the packaging of this is like okay, so here they have written some instruction that how we should use this, and it is quite simple. You just need to pick a little amount, and gently massage to your skin and rinse it off with water. So that's that, and this is how the tub is looking. It's quite sleek, and oh, it's nice. It's really nice. See? It's quite sleek. It's the color. I like this color a lot, I don't know, but I like it. So this is how this opens, and this is packed from here. Let me open this, and after open, this looks like this. This is like I mean, I really don't want to touch it, and but we have to use it, right? So I have a little amount of makeup on my face, not a foundation or concealer, just mascara, lipstick and blush. So let's see how this work. Taking a little amount, I guess this is enough. Melts down completely. It is not feeling like it converted into oil, because I'm feeling quite thick while massaging, but its fragrance, oh my god, it's so soothing. It's so soothing. It's so nice. I really love it. Now I'm just massaging my eyes very gently. Let's see this will work for mascara or not. Oh my god, I mean, amazing. I mean, my waterproof, this mascara, I cannot take it off with normal micellar water or oil based micellar water. It doesn't come off, but this balm did the job. Thumbs up for this. Now I'm going to rinse this off. So I've rinsed that off with normal water, and I've not used a face wash after that, because I just want to show you that after just this balm how my skin look after that, right? So let me do the close-up. So this is how my skin is looking. All the makeup is gone, which is great thing. I mean, I really love it for that, because you know, I'm a very lazy person. I just want one product to take my makeup off. So for that, it's a great product. I highly recommend to you that. So let me wash my face with the face wash, and then we'll try the another product. So I have washed my face now, and we'll use this mask, and we'll see that how this will work. And yeah, and this brand also is cruelty free, and you know, they don't test their products on animals, and this is also parabens and you know, sulfate free brand, which is great. So what is saying, let me read that for you. Pure monsoon Arabica coffee rich in antioxidants. Okay, what coffee does to your skin. Coffee is rich in antioxidant, reduces puffiness. Caffeine in the coffee improves blood circulation to promote collagen production, self regeneration, and brighten the skin. Coffee is also great for cellulite reduction, which is great. So yeah, let's see how this product work. First, let me open this packaging. I should make ASMR of this. I should. Okay. So this is how this open, and okay, this is a glass tub. I really like skin care products in glass jars and bottles. I don't like the plastic one. So it comes with this wooden spoolie. This is how it looks. It's feeling quite luxurious. You know, glass bottle in itself, it looks luxurious. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. I guess ठीक ही लगता है. I don't know. You know, I'm a very clumsy person, so whenever I open such bottle glass things, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मतलब people, my friends and family says like I'm very clumsy person. So उनकी वजह से आई फील लाइक अब मेरे दिमाग में भी ये सेट हो गया है कि यार कहीं मैं कुछ गिरा ना दूँ, कोई कुछ तोड़ ना दूँ. So I have to be more careful, when I use any glass bottle or glass jar or anything such like that. This opens like this, and this is how it looks. Oh my god, this smells like coffee. That yummy coffee, I love coffee, I love hot chocolate, and this smells like that only. I love it. I love the fragrance of this. So I'm gonna apply this on my face, and let's see how this will work. And this is a normal to oily skin, and I'm a oily skin girl, so this is what it's saying. So I'm gonna use it, and let me tell you that how I feel about it. Of that, this is so satisfying, you guys. Really, I mean, I like it. So I have applied all over my face a very even layer. मैं इसको साइड में रख दूँ वरना मैं उसे तोड़ ही दूँगी. It is what it is, right? I am clumsy, I fumble, but it is what it is. I'm okay with it. Let me give this to dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then see how this will look, and then I'll wash it off with water. So it's completely dry, and I'm gonna go and wash this off. Then I'll come back and tell you that how I feel about this after washing this off. So I washed my face with normal water, and you know what, while I was washing my face, I felt like very little amount of coffee granules in that. which was good for scrubbing while washing this off. So what I feel about after cleansing this off, I'm feeling so cleansed, and this doesn't dry down my skin. So all over, I just love this product. Let me use this few more times, then I will tell you exactly about this product. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then please turn that grey thumb blue and share this video with your friends, and tell me if you want me to, make such kind of videos more often. So I will definitely do it for you guys. So that's all. We will meet in my next video. अगर कोई specific information रह गई हो about these products, so I will leave all the details in the description box below, so please check that out. So till the time, take care, bye bye.